Good morning, everyone. This is Sachin Biscuit from Electrical Engineering Department, S&D College of Engineering and Research Center. Today, we are going to start the PLC programming. What is exactly the programming means? So basically, the programs for use with the PLC can be written in a number of formats. To make it easier for engineers with no great knowledge of programming to write the program for PLC, a ladder programming was developed. Most PLC manufacturers adopt this method of writing the program, and however, each tended to develop its own version, and so an international standard has been adopted for ladder programming, and indeed, all the methods used for programming PLCs. The standard published method in 1993 is International Electrotechnical Commission 1131-3, sometimes referred to as IEC 61131-3. The IEC standard major features of IEC 1131-3. There are some following major features of standard are given. So basically, some points are there, that is the multiple language support. One of the main features of the standard is that it allows the multiple language to be used simultaneously, thus enabling the program developer to use the language best suited to each control task. Second, code reusability. The control algorithm can include the reusable entries referred to as a program organization unit, that is POU, with include functions, the function block and program. These POUs are reusable within a program and can be stored in user declared liabilities for import into other control programs. Third, library support. The IEC 1131 standard includes a library of the pre-programmed function and function block. And IEC compliant controller supports these as a firmware library, that is, the library pre-coded in executable form into a PROM or flash RAM on the device. Additionality, that is, manufacturers can supply the libraries of their own function. User can also develop their own libraries, which can include calls to the IEC standard library and any applicable manufacturer's libraries. Fourth, execution models. The general construction of the control algorithm includes the use of the task, each of which can have one or more program POE. A task is an independently suitable or scheduled software entities and can be assigned a cyclic rate of the execution, can be event driver, or be triggered by specific system functions such as startup. The full IEC 61131 standard covers the complete life cycle of PLC. Part 1, general definition of the basic terminology and concept. So what is programming in case of the PLC system is external programming unit can be used to download the program into the program memory of the CPU. The external field programmer provides several software features that facilitate the program entry in graphical form. The programmer also provides comprehensive aids for debugging and execution monitoring support, logic and sequence control system. Printer can be connected to the programmer for the purpose of documenting the program. In some cases, the special programming packages that can run on personal computer can also be used as a programming suite. There are two ways of entering the program. Number one, direct program entry to the program memory, that is RAM, plugged into the central controller. For this purpose, the programmer is connected to the processor or the programmer interface module. And second, programming the EEPROM submodule in the programmer without connecting it to the PC, that is offline. The memory submodules are then plugged into the central controller. In QA programming, device can be handheld device, or we can say it is a handheld device, a desktop console, or a computer. Only when the program has been designed on the programming devices and is ready is it transferred to the memory unit of the PLC. A handheld programming device normally contains enough memory to allow the unit to retain the program while being carried from one place to another. A desktop console are likely to have a visual display unit with a full keyboard and screen display. Personal computers are widely configured as a program development workstation. Some PLCs only require the computer to have appropriate software. Others require special communication cards to the interface with the PLC. A major advantage of using a computer is that the program can be stored on the hard disk or a CD and copies can be easily made. PLC manufacturers have programming software for their PLC. For example, Mitsubishi has MailSoft. The company's GS developer supports all MailSec controllers, from the compact PLC of the MailSec FX series to the modular PLC, including the MailSec system Q, and uses a window-based environment. It supports the programming method of IL, LD, and SFC languages. You can switch back and forth between IL and LD at while you will work. You can program your own function block, and a wide range of the utilities is available for configuring the special function models for the MailSec system queue. There is no need to program special function modules. You just configure them. The package includes the powerful editor and diagnostics function for configuring the MailSec network and hardware, the extensive testing and monitoring function to help get applications up and running quickly and efficiently. It offers offline simulation for all PLC types and thus enables the simulation of all devices and application responses for realistic testing. As another illustration, Siemens has schematic step 7. This fully compiles with the international standard IEC 61131-3 for PLC programming language. With step 7, programmer can select from among various programming languages beside LAD and FBD. Step 7 basic also includes the IL programming language. Other additional options are also available for IEC 61131-3 programming languages such as ST, called Schematic S7 SCL or SFC, called schematic S7-IEC 61131-3 programming language, which provides an efficient way to describe the sequential control system graphically. Features of the whole engineering system include the system diagnosis capability, process diagnostics tools, PLC simulation, remote maintenance, and plant documentation. S7 PLC SIM is an optional package for Step 7 that allows the simulation of a schematic S7 control, performs and testing of a user program on a PC. Enabling the testing and refining the prior to physical hardware installation. By testing early in a project development, overall project quality can be improved. Installation and commissioning can thus be quicker and less expensive because program fault can be detected and corrected early on during the development. Automation manufacturers RS Logic for the Allen Bradley PLC5 family of the PLC. Omron has CX1 and Telemechanic has Prover 32 for its Modicon range of the PLC. Similarly, a user-friendly application-oriented PLC, CrowdZ Millennium 3 is a program using a CLS M3 software. This is the basic idea related to programming languages. Thank you.